So the original function is 2x minus 8. The question is, what is the inverse, f negative 1, the inverse of that function? I'll walk this one more time. Ask you guys to do one, and we'll take a look at some practice while I pass back the quizzes. Sure. The first step is to rewrite it, replacing the f of x with y. The main reason I do that is so that it's a little bit easier to manipulate stuff. So I'm down to single variables. The next step in the line is to say, all right, the whole point of the inverse is that the x and the y are flipped. They're inverted. So all the x's become y's, all the y's become x's. So I'm going to rewrite this with the x and the y in reverse positions. And once I've done that, I've got my inverse now. The only problem is it's not in a format where it's y equals. So my next step is to get the y by itself. And this is where all those kind of pre-algebra skills kick in. What do I need to do to solve for y? Add 8 to both sides. And that gives me x plus 8. Okay, let's slow down before we say that. Let's make sure we all got that. Now I go ahead and do that divided by 2. It's like I said way back when we started with the whole peeling off the layers, trying to get the variable by itself. Yeah. The Shrek example. Feels like it. Now you gotta watch here. This is an understood 1. So 1 divided by 2 is a half. And now 8 divided by 2 is 4. Because it's divide, you have to divide the whole side by 2. So each individual component gets divided by 2. So 1 over 2 is a half. 4 over 2 is 8. I'm sorry. 8 over 2 is 4. 4. 1 divided by 2 is a half. So that means that that one? If there's no number in front of a variable, it's an understood 1. Yeah. Oh, that's okay. A lot of people forget that. And there we go. That's the inverse.